What's up, guys? I'm back here working on the E46 M3, and I'm just gonna be removing this pilot bearing. I'm gonna kind of MacGyver it because I don't have the right tool to pull this pilot bearing out. I found out that you can use sliced bread and a 3/8 socket. So sliced bread, a 3/8 socket, and a hammer. 3/8 socket is gonna help you pack the bread in that hole, and the bread will eventually push the pilot bearing out while I'm packing it in. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so basically what you want to do is you want to grab your bread, make sure it's all moist, and you just want to crumble it up. We'll do like little pieces. Just crumble it up and pack it in there. So you want to keep hammering your socket into the pilot bearing hole with the bread. The bread is kind of like packing it, pulling the pilot bearing out. So you just keep hammering it and eventually you get there. I can't really record because I got one hand right now, but you could see that the pilot bearing is already starting to come out. Okay guys, so we almost got this pilot bearing removed. We've been using our 10 socket, packing the bread inside the hole, then using the 10 with the hammer to just hammer it in and use the bread to pull the pilot bearing out. And you can see that the pilot bearing is almost ready to push right out. It's like basically lined up at the edge here. Before, when I first started, it was like a lot deeper in there. As you can see, guys, the pilot bearing is almost out. So this bread method is really working. And it's time consuming, but I'm pretty sure it's better than buying a $100 tool that you'll probably only use once. So you guys let me know how this method worked out for you guys. If you decided to try this way, but as for me, I feel like this is the best thing. It's a little time consuming, but totally worth it. Totally worth it. Sorry about the camera, keeps moving. I don't have a tripod with me today. So yeah, you just keep packing it in. Just keep packing that in. And there we go. Pilot bearing is out. So we got the old pilot bearing out. And we got left now in here is like a big like a hole filled with bread. You just gotta like clean out the hole and you should be all good. Here's our old pilot bearing.